Upon receiving your product from 3CPM, first thing you'll notice is this black box that will include all of the most important components of the system. Upon opening the box, you'll notice some instructions on the top. These are very important as they are the instructions for the installation of your device. Read these carefully prior to starting up your device. Included in the box will be your human interface module, your respiratory belt, the USB cable for connecting the HID device, and an interface cable for the leads you'll be receiving, as well as a thumb drive that will include all of the installation software that you require. Included in your box will also be a set of paperwork. First including will be the checklist for installation. This will be done after you've installed completely the software for the device. There also will be a packing list that you'll be required to check off. These 2 pieces of paper will be required to be returned to us as soon as possible. Other than that, there's also a myriad of verification paperwork.